Ciao ragazzi, I'm Roberta, Pasta Evangelist, and today I'm going to show you the best pasta to celebrate Mother's Day. Ciao mamma. To celebrate this very special day, we are going to make a laminated pasta, which today I will use some edible flowers. Yes, so cute. I have already prepared the egg dough. Please check the recipes on how to create the dough. Now ragazzi, I will start to stretch the dough with the pasta machine. You need to go, as always, from number 0 up to number 4 this time. So let me cut the dough in half. So we are starting to using only half and stretching through the machine. Remember, the other half needs to be covered, otherwise it will just get too dry. I'm using a little bit of semola just to prevent the dough to stick into the machine. And now guys, as I said, you simply go through the first setting from number 0 to number 4. Don't skip any number, I'm watching you. And we stop, as I said, at setting number 4. It's because we are going to do the last few steps with the flour. So, is more or less the same, so it really goes perfectly on top. Make sure that one of the layer of the pasta dough it's not so dry. If so, you can literally put a little bit of water with your hand so they will stick together. Now we are going to place this beautiful flour. I want you to press a little bit. Don't press too much, otherwise you will break the flour. And just, as you prefer, wherever you want. Sometimes I try to, mix a little bit the color. Now, my nonna used to have a curtain like this in her bedroom. So now you just need to place the other layer of pasta on the top. And guys, I want you to press, okay? Now let me show you. You just need to grab quickly a rolling pin and just stretch it before you go with the machine. So we make sure that both of the layers are together. So it's easy as this, yeah? And now we can go with the last few settings of the pasta machine, yeah? Now we are going to stretch the dough at number 5. And then we got the last settings. Now, if it's just too long and difficult for you, you can cut it in half and go up to number 6. It's very easy. You just need to grab a knife, cut it, and go through setting number 6. Beautiful. Now that we created the laminated pasta, let me show you a couple of shapes that you can do with these beautiful, really beautiful dough. I'm going to make some filled pasta and then also show you something that doesn't really need to be filled. So I have some ricotta, guys. I place just a little bit in the middle. Just a little bit, guys. Don't be too greedy. Then you will struggle to close the tortello. So I will show you a few filled pasta, and then also something very easy to create that you don't really need any filling. So that's the classic tortello, which you can close it this way. It is like a little boat shape. It's so cute. You can do the other way, very similar. I leave it on the board to do a nice belly, and this time, guys, you need to fold it this way. Ragazzi, look at this beautiful pasta. You can see the color of the flour. It's a beautiful tortello. We create some barchette, some soppressini and farfalle. I'm sure, ragazzi, the mamma, she will absolutely enjoy this beautiful pasta. Now, don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to the channel for more recipes. Ciao, ciao.